Manipur's Education Minister Thongnaujam Basantakumar Singh on Tuesday issued a stern warning of legal action against an illegal meeting allegedly called by an unknown student body at the Manipur University. The meeting, reportedly set for Wednesday, was aimed at discussing the ongoing issues in the state. The ministry referred to a Facebook post by the unidentified group named All Manipur Students, which called for a gathering of the various student bodies in Manipur. He clarified that none of the 6 recognized student organizations in the state nor the Student Union of the Manipur University had any knowledge of this group or its activities. Addressing the media, the minister urged students to avoid engaging in non-academic activities such as meetings and rallies, which could negatively impact their academic careers. He emphasized the importance of public corporations in keeping the education sector free from disruptions. Basantakumar expressed concern over the post, noting the absence of any official signatures or affiliations with recognized unions or organizations. He discouraged students from attending the meeting, suggesting that anti-social elements may be trying to destabilize the educational environment. The minister also highlighted recent setbacks in the education sector due to the state's ongoing crisis. He reassured the public that the Education Department is working diligently to strengthen the education system and called for support in maintaining a peaceful and undisturbed environment in schools and colleges. Furthermore, the minister warned that anyone participating in an unauthorized rally would face legal consequences, adding that law enforcement agencies would take necessary measures to protect the peace and stability of the education sector.